Okay, we'd like to take this opportunity to introduce to you the Omas G250 monobloc for this application designed for COVID-19 testing. It's the test tube and the cap for the testing. The machine's an automatic monobloc, incorporates an automatic test tube feeding system, which is a bowl feeder with a soundproof cover. This takes the test tube into the monobloc machine, which then automatically comes through the star well through the filling system. We have an easy disassembly filling pump system, which is mechanical pumps, and in this instance we're using a 3 ml fill, which is done with one pump. The pump comes off the machine very easily and is able to be cleaned in an autoclave system. We have the hopper system, which is where the product is fed to the machine automatically. After filling, all enclosed in the monobloc system, which is the advantage of this machine. We have the automatic cap sorter at the back of the machine, which is then transporting automatically the cap to the pick and place device, which places the cap onto the test tube. We use servo motors for the torquing head, so we have full adjustment over the torque on the head. And then we have a reject system, and we also have then the exit of the test tube. We have various options at the end of the line where we can put the test tube into a bagging machine, or we exit onto a conveyor system for labelling.